What's up, guys? It's been a while. $10, 10 US dollars. I wonder how much food can you buy? Dude, $10. But here in China, you can get unlimited freshly cut beef buffet, just acronym. This is the most crowded or acronym. Here is the big nightclub, the Wave. It's packed during the nighttime and fancy cars like Mercedes, Lamborghini parked all over. Here is the super big mall with like 5 stores. Look at the crowded street. We just had a major temperature drop, like 10 degree or something. I haven't seen the sun like for 3 days, and the temperature at Kunming, so-called the spring city, is very cold right now. So I think it's the perfect time to have a hot pot. Let's go check it out. Green light, free to go. Shit. Hold up. All these electric bikes. I think electric bikes might be the most convenient way to travel in Crimea. Oh, this is like a market, farmers product market. It's underground. It's open from 9 to 5, I think. So every Wednesday we got like a fair. We got fruit, vegetable, eggs. See, there is the bottom table right over there. I think this shop just opened like this month, October or November or something. Yes, it's weird. Congratulations, flower. Opening was still here, so. 有座位没得？
那稍等一下号了是吧？
哦，
我帮你取个号码来，然后收菜就好了。对，
那你给我号码。
好，几位？
2位。
可以了哥。啊，等他们收
2
出来就好了。
桌应该还是比较快的吧？就收出来就行了，是吧？
对，等他们吃完东西再吃。好，好。
There is a queue line. We have 2 tables ahead of us. After waiting about 10 minutes, it's time to pick any dishes you want, including all kinds of meat and vegetable, and all kinds of beverage, whatever you want, whatever you like. Get your dipping sauce right, and it's time for hot pot. The quality of the beef is very good. It's freshly cut, and it charges only 69 RMB for a person, which is less than $10. With all the beverage, vegetables, dishes, I really have nothing to complain. And the best part is not the beef, it's the tripe, the stomach of the cow, man. It tastes really good and soak up really good in the dipping sauce. And finally, a bowl of self-made beef noodles is a perfect way to end today's food adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.